Breaking news, breaking news. A huge car crash happened on Gulf Road. A large truck collided into a small truck, but everyone in the large truck was okay. As for the people in the small truck... Now let's see why this happened.
In a head-on collision, Newton's third law dictates that the forces on the trucks are equal but opposite in direction. When the small truck collides head-on with the large truck, your intuition might tell you that the force on the small truck is larger. That's not so. So now that we know that Newton's third law makes it evident that the trucks had equal impact on each other in terms of force, we still need to explain why the people in the big truck turned out to be safe, while the people in the little truck, well... The reason this happens can be explained through Newton's second law, which says that the force of an object is equal to its mass times its acceleration. Let's say the mass of the bigger truck is 50,000 kilograms and the mass of the smaller truck is 25,000 kilograms. Since the forces are always going to be equal, this makes it evident that the smaller truck is moving double the acceleration of the larger truck. But since the mass of the larger truck is so much greater, it automatically outrules the idea that the effects of the collision will be equal. The smaller car therefore gets wrecked due to its smaller mass. It was also discovered that the people in the smaller truck were not wearing seatbelts. The task of the seatbelt is to stop you with the car so that your stopping distance is probably 4 or 5 times greater than if you had no seatbelt. A crash which stops the car and driver must take away its kinetic energy, and the work energy principle then dictates that a longer stopping distance decreases the impact force. With no seatbelt to stop the driver with the car, the driver flies free until stopped suddenly by impact on the steering wheel or the windshield. The stopping distance is estimated to be about 1/5 of that with the seatbelt, causing the average impact force to be about 5 times as great. The work done to stop the driver is equal to the average impact force on the driver times the distance traveled in stopping. A crash which stops the car and driver must take away all its kinetic energy, and the work energy principle then dictates that a shorter stopping distance increases the impact force.
Well, that's all for now, folks. That concludes our news for tonight. Join us tomorrow night as we talk about the latest news on the Golden Apple winner, Mr. Reed. Good night, all.